So how much makeup is a woman allowed to wear then?
Not to attract attention.
I hear.
Not like as Rabbi said, not like traffic light. Everybody like turn. Is it red? Is it green? Is it yellow? Like no, take it easy, basically. So yeah, I mean, at home for her husband, she can put a perfume and makeup as much as she wants to make him happy. That's a different story. But for people, not to attract attention, that's a basic criteria. Okay, so that's a basic criteria. So how women should be dressed, right? So how not to attract attention, whatever is it. So maybe it's very loose clothes, but it's purple or neon white and then neon green, for example, right? That's not proper. Basically, that's okay.